السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
كيف حالك شيخ؟ حياك الله شيخ.
بارك الله فيك.
Sheikh, I would like to ask you regarding the joint family system in the Muslim world, especially in the subcontinent. 5 brothers, 6 sisters, and so many people living in one building, one house. Then their grown-up children coming between mixing and all these things. Sometimes the mother-in-laws of the boy, girls are controlling her. Father-in-law have some rulings on their sons, this thing, that thing. So many things are there. So what is the exact Islamic ruling? Does this happen during the Rasulullah ﷺ period? That everybody lives in one house, under one roof, so many people?
Okay.
Just the question I want to ask.
Okay, I will answer you, inshallah, Abu Yusuf.
Thank you.
Barakallah feek. Our biggest problem in the Muslim world, or at least one of the biggest problem, is when we allow tradition and customs to overrule Islam. This does not work. When you say, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah, I bear witness there is no God worthy of being worshipped except Allah Azza wa Jal, this means that you enslave yourself totally to Allah the Almighty and abandon anything else. So whatever Allah says, whatever our Prophet ﷺ teaches,